I initially did a review on this Oraimo BoomPop 2 wireless headset on this channel some time ago, and along the line, after just 1 month of use, something happened. So I'm back again to do an honest review this time around of my real life experience while using this headset, what I encountered, the good, the bad, and the disappointments on this headset. So like, subscribe, and share this video while I show you what you need to know about this headset before going for it. So out of the box, the headset looks great. It has a very glossy finish on the body, and this green and black color combination it's cool. So it has soft cushions and it makes it very comfortable in the ears, right? So this is where the problem starts. This plastic material, it feels really cheap and very poor material that they used for it. So after just 1 month of use, it broke. It broke in two places. First of all, it broke here at this joint. And mind you, I didn't exert any pressure on it. It's just normal use. I didn't compress it. I didn't wear it to sleep. I didn't do anything abnormal that could make it break. But it broke. Then the second place it broke was this part, the top part. It broke here. And I know you might be wondering, how come I have a new one in my hands? Okay, I'll explain later. Now let's give credit where it's due. This headset is good in terms of sound quality. It gives you quality-based sound, and it's very good for playing music, especially Afrobeat music. You can get the punchy bass feeling, and trust me, it's awesome. It's not something I can really explain to you very well how it feels like when you are playing music with it on this video, but trust me, it sounds great. I won't take that away from them. It also has Type-C charging, and it's claimed to last up to 60 hours if fully charged, and it takes just about 15 to 20 minutes to get this headset fully charged. So it's wonderful for this product of this cost. So yeah, it's great. So it also has an auxiliary port where you can connect your auxiliary cable for audio input, and yeah, and it works very well. All the features work very well. So it also has a gaming mode, and if you download the Oraimo app on your app store and tune it into gaming mode while using this on your phone and playing game, it is a good experience. Trust me, it sounds really amazing while gaming. And the gaming mode, I think what it does is it removes any room of audio lag in the game, and gives you the live scenario. There's no lag between the video you're playing and the sound you're receiving. So trust me, it's a good feature from Oraimo. Alright, so this is me trying to download the Oraimo Sound app. You can see the Oraimo Sound app, and I'm going to show you how you can connect. So it's fully installed now, and I'll just go ahead and open it. So I've already connected my the Oraimo headset to this device, and you can see it's connected via Bluetooth. Okay, so add device, allow. So you can see the Oraimo BoomPop 2, as I've added it, is showing the battery percentage and everything. So I'll just come here and You can see the game mode option. If you are gaming with this, you can turn on the game mode option and then it activates on the headsets, and you can also tune the sound from here. You can see the heavy bass, you can see the standard settings, you can see the rock, jazz, vocal. So yeah, it's very flexible in terms of how you can tune your sound to your own taste. Right, so now in terms of the call quality and the microphone is very good. It's very good. I tested it out on a call, and the person that I called was hearing me clearly, and I confirmed it by listening to the voice by myself. Trust me, this headset is very good for making calls. The voice and the audio quality is nice. It's great. In terms of customer experience, this is my story. When the previous headset broke, I reached out to Oraimo Care customer service, and they requested for video and picture evidence of the broken headset, and I sent it across to them. And after review, they logged for approval for replacement, and this was where it took a lot of time. I kept on following up with the Care for the replacement for about 2 months, and I gave up. At some point, I assumed that they didn't want to replace the headset, or that they were just toying with me. So after about 6 months, I just decided to casually chat them up, and the response I got was that it has been approved, and it had been approved about 4 months ago, and I wasn't even aware. I wasn't even notified. That was very, very poor from their customer service. How do you do that kind of thing? So I proceeded to their office and showed them that, yeah, I went with the broken headset as well. I showed them that, okay, this is approved for replacement, and they told me that it's been a long time, that it seems they don't have it in their record anymore. In fact, it was a long day of waiting. I kept on insisting that this headset replacement was approved, and in fact, a lot of communications between me and the Oraimo Care customer service and the physical customer service people I was seeing in the office, it was just so draining. And but in the end, I got it replaced, and that is how I am with this headset right now. And I decided to do this honest review just for you to know what you are diving into if you are thinking of getting this headset. All right, so what are the pros and cons of using this headset? Well, it has great sound for the price, and secondly, long battery life. It has dual connectivity. That means you can connect to two devices at the same time, and you can interchange. And it has a lightweight, and it's comfortable to wear on your head. So these are the pros that I can list out for you. For the con aspects, you can see that it is extremely fragile, and it breaks. In fact, just be rest assured that if you are not a super careful user, that it will definitely break within 1 month of use. So yeah, that's it. So it has weak hinge joints, and it's not really water resistant or sweat resistant. Fourthly, the customer care and experience was poor, and were slow to respond. Yeah, although I appreciate the fact that they've changed the headset for me finally, but it was really a hassle to get the headset changed and replaced. So it's not something that I want to go through again, but it is what it is. So here is my final thoughts on this headset. The Oraimo BoomPop 2 headset, it has great sound quality and it has great features, trust me, and the battery life is good, but the build quality, which is the most important thing, which I believe would give it that longevity for you to use it for over a long period of time, is not there. So would I recommend you to buy this headset? No, I wouldn't. If unless you are a very, 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 very careful user, that's I don't even know. I can't say I was rough with this headset because I'm a careful user as well. So I wouldn't go for this headset. Trust me. Again, I wouldn't recommend it. I wouldn't. That's my final verdict. So if you have used an Oraimo product before and you had this sort of issue, please share your thoughts in the comment section and let's see. So if this review has helped you to avoid disappointment or just confirmed your thoughts on this headset, please smash the like button and subscribe for more honest reviews from me. See you in the next one. Bye.